China and the United States. What was an afterthought when President Nixon went to China in 1972 has now been catapulted to be the most important economic relationship in the world, as the Chinese economy has grown more than sixfold, trailing behind only the United States. And the U.S. helped it get there, leading the move to admit China into the WTO.
Bringing China into the WTO is a win-win decision. It will protect our prosperity, and it will promote the right kind of change in China.
And there's no doubt that U.S. trade with China has grown dramatically since the end of 2001, when China officially joined the WTO. But now the question is whether both sides truly did win from that deal, with calls for restrictions on trade with China and investment in China.
All these things are increasing tensions, and it scares a lot of institutional investors that would be normally willing to put a lot of money into China.
And an outright ban on social media giant TikTok.
The potential security, privacy, content manipulation concerns raised about TikTok are really not unique to us.
Even as Secretary Yellen says decoupling of the two largest economies in the world is not an option.
The United States will assert ourselves when our vital interests are at stake, but we do not seek to decouple our economy from China's. A full separation of our economies would be disastrous for both countries,
leaving investors to question what to make of the Middle Kingdom as an investment opportunity, as companies like Apple pull back.
7% of their iPhone production now coming from India. That's up from 1% in 2021. This is about diversifying away from China.